Okay, today I want to show you how to use the recursive function, recursive way, how to think of the recursive way. So this question here is a simple question here. Sorry, it's not simple. Maybe it's not simple for of you guys. Okay. Some of you guys, okay. So this actually this question is provided from the usability computer science 61A class here. Discussion. Yeah, 61A class discussion here. Okay. Uh, you might find that uh, in in that class discussion, we are required to use the recursive way to solve it here. So how to use the recursive way to solve it? You can use the iterative method. It's up to you, but I prefer use recursive one. Yeah. So let me show you how to use the recursive function. So def merge n1, n2. Since these two arguments are the numbers, they are not the lists. They're not lists, they are the numbers, okay? So that means you cannot use the index to check. But you can use other ways to check. First of all, if you want to select a certain, if you want to select the rightmost digits, you can use this technique like the n1 percentage the 10. You get the rightmost digits, always rightmost digits. Yeah, even if it's negative value, you can get the rightmost digits, right? But actually, it must be integer. If it's a floating point number, if it's a floating point value, it's hard. I don't recommend you guys to use this technique, but this question is not quite crazy. It's not crazy here. So they're all integers. So first of all, you can pause the video and look at the question what it's trying to do. Okay. Okay, right now I assume all of you guys understand the question here. So let's see. First of all, we have to find it if the rightmost of the n1 that is less than the rightmost of the n2. Yeah, first of all, if you can solve this question, congrats here. But if you can't, you can follow my step here. Uh, uh, yeah. Wait. Stop. Okay, that means if you get the lowest value, that's the n1. If the n1, the rightmost digit of the n1 is lowest, is the smallest value. Smallest value, so return the n1 percentage. N1 percentage the 10 plus the words. We have to call the recurse. We have to call the function itself. So because we are the rightmost digit of the n1 is already used, so we can kick out the rightmost digit. How do we kick out? So divide by the 10. Let's get the floor. Okay, floor. Okay, with 10, comma, and here's the n2. Right? some of you may think that it doesn't make sense if you even though you got the lowest value right here, but if you add the other value, we if you get the other value that's returning from the other function, like not the other function, the other loop of function, you're just adding these two values. So that means you're creating a new value. So it doesn't make sense here right? You're not merging. You're modifying, right? So yeah. So we have to multiply by 10. So that's the important part. Multiply by the 10. Why? So why multiplying by the 10? It's easy to understand. Like here, 31 and 42, 31 and 42, 31 and 42. First of all, if you check the rightmost digit of these two numbers, the one is less than 2, right? So the one here. And then plus the other one, plus calling the function itself. So divide by the 10, so that's 3 comparing 3 compares to the 42, right? And then check out the 3 and the 2, the rightmost digit. 2 is the smallest, right? So plus the 2, and here's the 2, getting the 2. But 1 plus 2, it doesn't make sense. So we have to multiply by the 10. So which means we are updating the 2 to the, we are shifting the digits to the left, right. So that means 2 times the 10 is 20. So 21. So that's the first loop, and it's the second loop. And the next one, if you keep adding the other recursive function, you're still multiplying by the 10. So that means, so multiplying by the 10. So here's the 3, 4, 5, something here. Anything else here? So that means each time you call the function itself, remember to multiply by the 10. So you won't, so these two numbers won't conflict, they won't meet together. Okay, right now, return. If the rightmost of the rightmost digit of the n1 is greater than n2 or equals to the n2, so n2 percentage the 10 plus the merge of the n1 comma n2 plus divided by the 10, because we already use the rightmost digit of the n2, right? So we can take out that digit. So divide by the 10 and multiply by the 10. Okay. Oh, okay, right now. Some of you may think that it's the infinite loop, right? So we have to stop the loop. Stop it. How do we stop? So if not n1 or not n2, return n1 plus n2 is the simplest way to write. If you don't understand the code here, it's fine. I can use another way here. So if n1 equals to 0, return n2. If, well, you could use else if, it doesn't matter. Yeah, because it's returning the value. So it doesn't matter if, so the Python won't check the if again. Yeah. So n2, if n2 equals to 0, so return the n1. They're the same meaning. Not 0, that means 1. 1 is what? 1 is the true, right? 0 plus the n2. Maybe the n2 has the value, right? Has the number, right? Yeah, n1 is just the 0. So n1 plus n2. We don't care which one, even as long as either one, yeah, one of them is the 0. We can add the other one. So that's the simplest way to solve. So, okay, fine. So this is working here. If you have any ideas here, or if you have any other simplest way, do feel free to comment here. Okay, see you.